Dentists are not scary.
Daddy, I don't want to go to the dental clinic. No dentists, no shots, and no medicine.
But if you don't see a dentist, your toothache will get worse.
Another kid who's afraid of seeing the dentist.
Meet professional dentist Anne. No shots, no medicine. Healthy teeth, happy life.
Really? No shots, no medicine? Sounds great, Daddy. Let's find Dr. Ann to take a look at my teeth. Are you looking for me? Wow, Dr. Ann! Little elephant, you have some serious cavities. They need to be treated right now, or the cavity germs will eat up your whole teeth. That's so scary!
Dr. Ann, please treat my son's teeth.
Follow me. It won't hurt at all. Only patients can come in.
Okay.
Lie down, please. Don't be nervous. It won't take long.
Wow! Your teeth look fine now!
But it still hurts. Oh my! I missed an important step. Open your mouth. It doesn't hurt anymore.
Thank you, Dr. Ann!
And here's the bill.
What? It's so expensive!
It doesn't hurt anymore.
What's wrong, sweetie?
My teeth!
It's Little Elephant!
Sweetie, are you okay?
My teeth hurt again!
That's strange. We just got them treated by Dr. Ann. Why do they hurt again?
Dr. Ann? Huh? Oh, this is paint! Take him to the hospital now!
I feel much better. Going to the dentist is not scary at all. That's right. So if you have a toothache, come see me right away.
Mr. Elephant, Dr. Ann you met earlier was a fake dentist. You should be careful from now on. Let's go find this fake dentist.
Got it! Me, professional dentist Ann. No shots, no medicine. Healthy teeth, happy life.
Is that true?
I'll go first. I'll go first. Don't push everyone. One at a time, please.
I can't believe it! She fooled so many people!
Don't be so hurried.
Please check my tooth. It's been hurting for so long.
Mine too. Mine too.
I'll go first! Oh, it hurts so much! Please let me go first!
A rich guy. Oh no! I think this gentleman needs to be treated right now. This way, please. Please open your mouth.
It stinks!
Oh dear! You have a bad cavity! Your whole tooth is black!
No, that's a piece of lettuce stuck in his teeth from eating a sandwich.
It really is!
Huh?
Sorry, my glasses are dirty. Now I can see clearly. Oh dear, you have other cavities. They all need to be extracted.
All of them? Then how do I eat?
Oh, you can use Dr. Ann's golden teeth.
Let me try first. Why do they taste sweet?
Oh, they're not golden. It's chocolate inside. She's not a doctor. You're a fake dentist.
Huh? Fake? We almost fell for it.
Who are you? The police!
We've got you. You're coming with us.
You'll never catch Dr. Antel! Bah!
Stop!
You'll never catch me! Bah! Ouch!
Oh,
My teeth!
Sheriff Labrador's Safety Talk. Kids, don't be afraid to see the dentist when your teeth hurt. Only dentists can help your teeth get better, or they will worsen. Please remember that. Woof!